Your 2023 thumbnail is the reason people scroll past you in 2026. It's not you, it's that YouTube changed the scoreboard and forgot to email you. I pulled 300 recommended thumbnails across 11 niches, from homepage to mobile. 68% of them use one of 3 layouts, not 10, 3. And the winner isn't picked by clicks anymore. YouTube's Test and Compare tool crowns the thumbnail with the most share of watch time, not CTR. Todd Beaupre from YouTube said it straight. The algorithm chases viewer satisfaction. So if thumbnail A gets 10% CTR and viewers bail after 30 seconds, and thumbnail B gets 6% CTR but people watch for 5 minutes, B wins. Every time. That's why clickbait is on life support. The algorithm doesn't see your image. It just watches what humans do after they click. And humans have developed AI blindness. That hyper-polished plastic skin 5-element collage with the glowing outline, viewers now read it as probably made by a robot. MIT says we process images in 13 milliseconds. We feel fake before we can read the text. The numbers are rude. In 2023, top thumbnails averaged 4.8 words. In 2026, it's 1.7 words. Face presence dropped from 82% to 58%. We went from 5 neon colors to 3. Viewers aren't clicking what looks expensive. They're clicking what looks like a human made it on purpose. That's only half the problem. The other half is your phone. Half of YouTube is mobile. Your thumbnail is the size of a postage stamp. Nielsen eye tracking found that more than 3 focal points causes a 42% drop in 3-second retention, because the eye just gives up and scrolls. Also, YouTube now takes 50 MB uploads. 4K at 3840 by 2160 is normal. If you're still exporting 720p to save time, it looks blurry on OLED screens. Creators in the data lost 15 to 25% CTR just from looking soft. You basically uploaded a thumbnail in potato quality. So the 3 layouts winning now do 2 jobs. They load fast in your brain and they don't lie about the video. Layout 1 is 31% of the feed, I call it proof of human. 1 real face, 30 to 40% of the frame. 1 object, that's the whole recipe. Not the mouth open like you saw a ghost face from 2023. A micro expression, a smirk, a look of actual concern. Ryan Traham and Jenny Hoyos do this. Background is basically black, just face and object lit. Why it works is simple biology. Your amygdala clocks a face in 17 milliseconds. And now viewers link the exaggerated face with this video will waste my time. The candid face says real person, real video. The data says candid beats plastic by 22% in long-term satisfaction. A small creator mistake here is turning yourself into a LinkedIn headshot. You smooth the skin until you look like a wax figure, add teeth whitening, then a thick white stroke. Congratulations, you just cosplayed as AI. Shoot it on your phone. Leave the pause. Layout 2 is 22%. The hero object. 1 huge close-up, blurred or black background. 0 to 3 focal points, often 0 text. MKBHE and Paddy Galloway own this lane. A cracked phone filling the frame, 1 green candle on navy. You get it in 0.2 seconds. It's perfect for mobile, because your brain doesn't have to read. Reading is slow. Recognizing is instant. This is funny in finance and tech because those niches love text. The winners are going text-free. Dividend Dave, 65,000 subs. Average video, 12,000 views. He posts, I bought the worst stock of 2025. Thumbnail is pure black with 1 glowing red down graph. No face, no words. It did 890,000 views. Why? Every other finance thumb is a guy yelling at money with 5 red arrows. His was quiet. It stood out by doing less. The lack of text forced you to read the title, which is exactly what YouTube wants. Mistake here is panic texting. You add full words because you don't trust the image. Every word shrinks your hero object and makes people read instead of feel. If you need text, your object isn't clear enough. Use 3 colors max, black or navy plus 1 neon. Export in 4K or don't bother. Quick side note, I made a free YouTube video scorecard. It's linked below if you want to run the 20-point checklist before you publish. Layout 3 is 15%. The action consequence split. Left side setup, right side result. Split down the middle. No caption needed. Mark Rober and a comma Mr. Beast use this. Your brain sees before and after and has to close the loop. Best proof is a 40,000 Roblox creator. He ditched the shiny 3D renders and posted raw, ugly, in-game screenshots. Views jumped from 5,000 to 150,000. Test and Compare picked the ugly one because the pretty render got clicks, but people left in 10 seconds. The screenshot got fewer clicks, but people watched for 8 minutes. Watch time beats CTR. This matters more now because of the inline player. Rene Ritchie said, "Your intro is the new thumbnail." If your thumbnail shows an explosion and your first 10 seconds are you saying, "Hey guys, YouTube buries you." The split works because it's honest. It shows the actual video. 3 ways small channels self-sabotage right now. 1. 720p exports. You're saving 12 seconds and losing a quarter of your mobile clicks. It's 2026, not 2014. 2. Clutter. Face plus product plus logo plus 4 words plus 2 arrows plus a circle. That's not a thumbnail, that's a Where's Waldo page. Nielsen says your viewer's eye just nopes out. 3. Copying 2023 Mr. Beast face. Even Mr. Beast toned it down. The community calls it retention bait now. Viewers click, feel tricked, leave early. YouTube sees the early abandonment and decides your video is the problem. Stop guessing. Use the tool YouTube gave you. Upload 3 versions to test and compare. A. Your current safe one. B. Extreme minimalist hero object, 0 text. C. Proof of human, real face plus object, no stroke. Let share of watch time pick. Most winners are obvious in 48 hours. Before you upload, check 2 things. Is it 3840 by 2160 and can someone understand it in 2 seconds without reading the title? If not, delete stuff until they can. Biggest lesson isn't about design, it's about respect. Thumbnails aren't for tricking the algorithm, they're for a tired human on a tiny screen deciding what to watch. The algorithm just follows what that human does next. Design for the watch, not just the click. Want to watch me get humbled by the algorithm for 30 straight days? I started a channel from 0 and YouTube showed my videos to all the wrong people. It's called My First 30 Days on YouTube. Click it next so you can skip my mistakes.